Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a 3D cube in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to create a 3D cube. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and choose the shape option. Now we can see here many shape. You can add any shape. Now I am select the cube. Then select the cube and draw the cube to this page. Now we can see we insert a 3D cube shape very easily. You can change the cube style or the size. Now I am select the cube and you can change the color. Go to the format menu and choose the shapes drop down menu and change the color. Now we can see we insert 3D cube very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.